Oh, Dylan! There is a trail over to this little island. I said there is a trail.
Is there?
Yeah, it goes around, then there's a couple of cement things, and it goes to that little island right here.
Can you?
You want to give it a whirl first? Try here first. That might be deeper out there.
I just set up here for a minute.
I just took a little whiz and I was like, oh, check it out, check it out. I don't know how people got fishing line on here. Like, how do you pull that up? Uh-huh. So what you wanted? Holy, it's a little steep. Oh. Yeah, this is cool.
Is there anywhere to chill? Is there a little crazy bush?
I don't know. There's even a little bridge here, just for us. Whoa, whoa! You alright?
Yeah.
It's a floating bird head over here. I know, we just found these 2 chairs.
Okay, we're not leaving now.
Oh. If only there's a cooler with some drinks and then we're good, I think.
This is how you find fishing spots. You gotta fucking...
Who left these here? It's perfect. A little rusty.
Hey. He's got his camera in there.
Hey, we'll put these right here. We'll use those in a minute or two. Nice spot over here, what?
Yeah, I like this spot here.
Oh yeah.
Set up a couple chairs.
Oh, Christ, man. Booby trap this island. Oh, this is a nice little spot, eh? It's just a little, it's not even, it doesn't go out to anywhere, eh? It's just a little lake. Or like a little...
Okay, I think your line's
Right
caught in the
distance.
end or something, ain't it?
It's stupid, it's
Or
alpha.
pose. Oh, look straight on, no? Oh, look.
Oh, like, well, pose, like,
Pretend you're fishing.
pretend my line went out anywhere good. Oh, whoa, whoa. I can't tell if it's snags or if it's... Something's already... Oh, I'm already snagged.
Keep posing.
Jesus. Uck! I'm already snagged.
Okay.
This is...
Those are good.
Shit. Come on.
They're money makers.
Let's see at my dog. Yeah, why is that? Oh, that looks...
Up and around there.
Who?
You know, does it look like you go up there somewhere? You can
Yeah.
Up over there.
Probably.
Should we try or no?
Oh, 100%.
I'm down. What's maybe today, baby?
Dun, 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 dun. Oh, a little wheelie board ramp.
Back flip off that one. Straight in the jungle.
Yep,
Had
certainly.
my gun. Had my shouty. Fucking big old black bear keeps running. Oh, what are you gonna do?
We'll make friends. Wish Malone was here. Post Maloney.
Thick bush here, right?
Yeah. I don't know if this goes down though. Where are we going? La 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 la. Oh. I'm getting a little itchy myself.
Alright, lead the way.
You see it? Hold on, where do I see it? Yeah, right here.
Left.
Check it. Whoa! Look at this. Well, you know, we all got a little excited. Oh yeah! Check this. We have a picnic. Get the girls. Let's go. Hey. It's not bad. Huh?
Nice little spot.
Yeah. Oh, a Pabst can. Oh.
How do you get to the third floor?
That's what he said.
I
But...
don't even know if it's it.
Well, right now, we're gonna try it out. That was crazy.
I thought it was going down for a minute.
Holy.
That was nuts.
Did you see that?
That's sketchy though. Look how old that thing is, right?
Don't see all the friggin' leaves flying off of there?
Fucking 200 kilometers an hour.
Holy crap. You got a knife?
Give me one, man.
Oh yeah, there she is.
I need a cup of
Kakaoniku? Ah, da 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 da. Hold on. Okay. I should probably take this off, eh?
What?
My finger.
What?
This clasp, what you would call it there? The
Why? Just hook that on it.
right on like that. Doesn't it distract? I feel like it bothers the fish. No,
Yeah,
like
we
these.
do that. No, that's weird.
That's it. Sometimes they can sense things that are
Yeah,
not
but
normal.
the clip is to make it handy. You just clip it on, clip it off.
Clip it. How does the son cut his hair?
Oh, stupid thing.
He clips it. I really. Oh, they're tending me. Look at. Couple of other side. Oh, well, there too, I guess. Very good, very good.
Jalous.
We got the freebie. Maybe we should go to Canadian Tire, grab a couple paddles. Couple purters. Oi. Alright, so oh my god,
What?
I leaned on it and it just went in my skin. Jesus. Great.
Okay.